In this video, we will learn how to create automatic AI content and image generator website. We will use the ChatGPT API to build this website. You don't need to know any programming language to create this website, because I will share premium source code with you to build this website. Now I will discuss with you some important features of the website. Then we will learn step by step how to build this website. We are getting professional admin panel to control this website. We can control all the functionality and features of the website through the admin panel. We can also create premium packages. We can earn unlimited money by selling these premium packages. We can create these premium packages step by step through admin panel. Users can register on the website very easily. Users can create accounts using various social media, or users can create account by submitting correct information here. So now let's log in the account as a user. Now you can see the user dashboard panel. Here users can view important account information. Then we can offer different users here with coupon codes. By doing this, we can attract the attention of users and we can sell our subscriptions very easily. Now we will go to the template section. Here users are getting many automatic AI templates. These templates can be used by users in their various daily tasks, because there are all kinds of AI content templates here. Also, we can create any type of image using AI artificial intelligence. Then we can take help of any kind of programming coding. This section will be very useful for programmers. We can use speech to text. Here we can upload audio files and convert them to text. Here we can convert various text to voice. Then here we can see all the history. Then we can see all image gallery history here. Users can easily contact the website admin through ticket support. In account section, we are getting various features and functionality to manage our account. Also, we are getting professional admin panel to manage the website. In this video, I will discuss with you step by step all the functionalities and features of admin panel. So you will watch this video completely. So let's now learn how to create this website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create automatic AI content and image generator website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish automatic AI content and image generator website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Then we will upload the zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract the zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete the zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to give permissions to some folders. For this you should follow this video step by step, because now we will learn how to add permissions to folders. Now we have to submit the purchase verification information here. Then here we have to submit database information. Now we will learn how to create a database in the hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the hosting panel database to the information website. Then we have to click on Create Database button. Now we need to submit admin login information. Then we have to click on Create User button. Our source code installed complete. Now our website is completely ready. So let's now log into the admin panel. Now I will discuss with you various features and functionality of admin panel. Because I will teach you step by step how to customize admin panel features. First we are getting a section for personnel. Then we get the awesome section to add new users. For this we need to submit all information of new users here. We can select the role permissions here. Then we can add each user's photo by uploading it. And we may send account creation email notifications to users. Then we can see the list of all users of the website. Also we can edit user account information step by step. And we can delete any user's account if we need to. We can see the login activities of the users of the website. Now we will go to Chat Templates section. In this section we will create different categories of chat templates. Then we can create the chat assistant. Here we can see many chat assistant templates. We can edit these default chat assistant templates step by step. Here you can submit the information of the chat assistant template. We can delete these default chat assistant templates if we want. Or we can create multiple new chat assistant templates. For this we need to submit the information of chat assistant templates here step by step. Now we will go to Use Case Templates section. Then we'll go to the All Templates section. Here we can see all the AI content default templates of the website. We can easily edit all AI content default templates. Then we can now change all the template information step by step. We can also delete any default templates. We can also create different types of AI content templates. For this we need to submit the correct information of the templates here. Also we can create specific categories for templates. Now we will go to AI Features section. In this section we can see the usage history of users. So now let's go to the Content section. Here we can see the history of users using different AI content. Here we get Edit option and Delete option. And we can see the history of images that users have searched for and downloaded. We can download and delete them if we want. Basically, we can control all the functionalities of our website that the users are using in this section. Because we can see user usage history step by step and delete them. Now we will go to the AI voices section. In this session we can see all text-to-speech voice members. Now we will go to blogs section. We can share new blog posts. For this we have to submit all the blog post information here step by step. Then users can gain various information and knowledge through our blog posts. Also we can see the list of all blog posts here. And here we are getting various functionalities to control the blog posts. We can create specific categories for blog posts. We can also add answers to various questions for the convenience of users. For this we have to submit questions and answers here. Now I will discuss with you about subscription section step by step. We can create credit system subscriptions. Here we see the default credit package list. We can edit the listings in this default credit package if we wish. Here we can change package name and package price. Also we can change or add package features information step by step. If we want we can delete the default package. Also we can make multiple credit packages. For this we need to submit the credit package information and price here. Then we can add credit package features step by step. We can also make package plans. Here we can see the list of default package plans. We can edit these default package plans. Here we are getting various features and functionality to edit package plans step by step. Here you can create features of unlimited packages. We can delete these package plans if we wish. Or we can create a new package plan. Then you have to submit the information of these package plans step by step. Also we can add features and functionality step by step specifically for the package plans. We can see the list of subscription premium members. We may also add premium subscriptions to certain members' accounts. We can view all payment transaction information of website members. Also we are getting nice feature to manage subscription section in settings section. We can see all review lists of website members. Or we can add multiple new reviews. For this we need to submit review information here. We are getting marketing options to sell website subscription plans. In the marketing section we are getting great functionality to manage coupon codes. We may offer discounts to website users by generating coupon codes. By doing this we can increase the interest of the users of the website to purchase the subscription plan. For this we have to submit the coupon code information here step by step. Here we can select the discount type. Then we can add the specific time date of the coupon code. Then we can determine the subscription plan for the coupon codes. Also we can add minimum spend limit. Also we can add usage limit step by step. We can see the list of all coupon codes. And we can edit or delete these coupon codes. We can see customers' coupon redeems lists. We are getting nice settings section to manage coupon code section. In this section we will allow various functionalities of the coupon. Also we can see all subscriber list of coupon code. In menu section we can easily customize website menus. Here we get the important functionality to manage the menus. You can scroll up and down the menus. Or you can edit the menus. Or you can add multiple menus. Now we will learn how to change website homepage designs. For this we have to come to website setup section. Then we will go to homepage section. Here you get important functionality to edit homepage. First we will go to the builder section. Here we can see many default sections. We can delete these sections if we wish. Or you can edit each section step by step. Here you can change the images and texts and colors of the home page of the website. You can also scroll down each section. Also we can create unlimited sections of our choice. Then you must select section type here. We can also create new home page designs specifically. Now we will go to the page section. Here you can see many default pages. You can edit or delete these pages if you want. Also we can create unlimited new pages. Now we will go to appearance section. In this section we can turn off or turn on the social media option of the website. Now we will go to main header section of header section. In this section we can change website text color and website background color. Also we can change the website logo. Also you get great options to manage the menu bar. You can change all text and color of footer section step by step. Here you get many features to manage footer sections. We can also add custom CSS and JavaScript to the website. We may add specific pages for trans and condition websites. In the Media Manager section, we can see all the uploaded files of the website. You can download and delete these files if you wish. We can easily reply to customer support tickets. Because you get great options to manage ticket support section. In the Tools section, we can put the database breakup of the website. This is an excellent feature that is very important for the security of our website. Also, you can add different company storage for database breakup in Settings section and it will work automatically. Now we will go to Configuration section. Now we will learn how to customize the General Settings section. Here we can change all the system setup information of the website. You will change this information step by step. We can also add default language to the website. Then we can add the default currency. Also we can change website logo and favicon step by step. Now we go to the Performance section. In this section we can add per page limitations. Then we can change the date format of the website. Also we can select the currency symbol position. Then we can set the maximum file size. And we can add specific time zone to the website. We can enable maintenance mode for various development works of the website. In the language section we can see some country languages are added by default. We can delete these default languages if we want. Or we can edit these languages. Also we can change these languages by translating them. You can add multiple languages of any country if you wish. For that you need to add your preferred language here. Also we can submit GDPR and all information step by step with website. We can add new redirect links to the website if we wish. Now we will go to the AI Preferences section. Now we will learn here how to set up OpenAI key. For this we need to create account in OpenAI. I have already created account in OpenAI, so I will log in account now. Then we need to go to the API keys section. Now we need to generate new secret key. We will now submit a key name. Now we will copy the information of this key. Then we have to submit to the website. Now we will add here Image Maker API. For this we now need to go to the Stable Diffusion API website. Now we need to create account. For this we have to submit step-by-step information here. Also we can easily create account through Google. Now we have to click on profile icon. Then we'll go to My Profile action. Now we will go to the API settings section. Now we will generate new API key. For this we need to submit an API key name here. Then we will copy this API key and add it to the website. Also we can submit our API requirements step by step here. We can easily add different artificial AI section categories step by step as per our requirement. Now we will go to account section. We can turn on the welcome email option. We may enable or disable customer sign-up options. Also we can select customer default sign-up status. We can provide sign-up OTP and token time. Also we can use Google and Facebook as login option of website. As a user verification system we can choose many options. Then we can add specific password system requirements. We can add different roles systems to the website. As an example, I will now create a manager roles. Then we will go to the permissions section. Now we can give user roles permission step by step. We can also introduce default packages specifically for users. Users will get these packages as soon as they open their account.